My name is JP Venezia, Director of Maintenance for Venezia Bulk Transport. Venezia is a dry and liquid bulk carrier. We operate 49 states in Canada. We have 21 terminal locations. A core mission for us is to deliver bulk products safely and on time to our customers. Originally, we had a system that was a partial paper, partial computer system, and it just wasn't working. We had a really hard time with running reports, understanding our costs. So we came over to TMT, and the reporting was very robust and really enabled us to know what we were spending and know what we were doing with our fleet. Prior to going live with TMT, we had no way to track warranty. The paper computer mix that we had just didn't enable us to do that. So actually in our first year, our payback was outstanding in warranty collection. And then moving forward, once we had our history, we could go backwards and pull dead parts off the shelf and reduce our overall inventory cost. It takes about 15 minutes for us to get a mechanic up and running, generating repair orders, clocking in and out. Even the older gentlemen and the new guys coming in, it's pretty equivalent. It's very, very simple to get somebody up and running fast. We want them turning wrenches, not punching keys. The road call module is a key element to our breakdown department. Our staff is in and out of that software all day, and it makes it seamless from shift to shift to be able to communicate issues and the progress of breakdowns. Working with Trimble has always been very simple for us. It's a super team, very responsive. When we put a call in for support or want to know about a new module or a new part of their software, we get a call back right away. Somebody comes out to see us. We get a case that's emailed to us right away so we can document that has been talked about. There's always a follow-up afterwards. So working with Trimble as a partner through all the years, it's enabled us to know our costs and to grow our business threefold through the years. Being able to know what we're spending, what we're doing, what our mechanics are doing at all of our locations from my desk has enabled us to be able to manage multiple locations with minimal staff. With Trimble, we value the relationships that we've built through the years with the staff and their openness and their welcoming to new ideas. I've yet to bring an idea to Trimble that they put their hand up and said, absolutely not. They're always like, let me dive into that. Let me see what we can do. I think we can fix that, or we can make that better for you, or we can make that more efficient for your company.